Okay, good morning. This is the voltage transformer from Amazon also. Open natin, open. So, what's outside?
Box pa lang yan, box pa lang.
Yeah, model number here. Yun. Steps to use, select voltage, correct input. Yun, ganun siya. We get the 3,000 watts. Kasi we bought this because some of our appliances came from Abu Dhabi. And when Abu Dhabi is 220 volts, dito 110 lang pala. Oh yun, tama yung cord, Miggy. Lumig.
Mas malamig yan.
Bigat. Ayun. May 230 volts pa rin, Miguel. 110. Okay. So you have to select the input.
You can select the input. And then kahit ano yung output.
Yeah. When you select 110, you have to connect it to 110.
If you connect and it
The output, there's a 220 output here. Alright. Step up and step down voltage transformer. Model. This later on. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.